Share some insight on क्या थी आपकी strategy for the prelims, because for a lot of people clearing prelims is only the major challenge.
Yes.
तो उस पे basically if you can share what was your strategy, where did you start from studying, कैसे शुरू की है अपनी तैयारी?
Right. Even I agree with you. Prelims is, in my opinion, the toughest stage or the most unpredictable stage. So, अपने first attempt से सीखकर second attempt में my entire preparation for prelims was divided into two things. One was the knowledge bit. I worked a lot on it and explained how. And the other thing was strategy.
Okay.
So on knowledge, I analyzed past year papers. That was my beginning point for my second attempt.
Okay.
And I saw that there's a pattern to certain questions. Questions are not asked ऊपर वाले level पे. अगर newspaper में आया है चंद्रयान अभी launch हुआ है, the question will not be on Chandrayaan. They will go one or two levels deep. This is something I realized. So while reading newspapers, I used to research. I used to make my own notes. Those notes were divided again proper syllabus wise. So that helped me in mains as well. But I used to go deeper. For example, I knew Huawei was in news. So 5G was important. So when I made my notes, I made notes 1G से लेकर 5G तक. All the technologies जो उसमें है, volt है, LTE है, all of that, because I identified that as a pattern from UPSC's past year's papers. Okay. And this time there was a question on 5G. So I think this is how I read my current affairs. That really helped me. And static तो जैसे सबका static होता है, very standard books, but I was very clear, एक book से ज़्यादा या एक source से ज़्यादा एक paper के लिए, एक subject के लिए I will not do. Okay. Because all the toppers used to say we limited our sources. And I think there's that fear of missing out when it comes to books. So सबको लगता है ये भी पढ़ लो यार, ये कैसे छोड़ सकते हैं? But I think it's at times smart work to not read multiple sources. Okay. So this was my knowledge bit. And for strategy, the first thing I did was I started sleeping on time. Okay. I made an effort to sleep on time. Because in my first attempt, I used to sleep at 6 in the morning, 5 in the morning. So my mind was used to working at 1 in the night. Okay. And not at 9 in the morning.
All right.
So these were small things that I identified. So I used to change my sleeping pattern right before my prelims. Then I practiced some 60-70 mocks.
Okay.
I was very good at mocks after that. इस हद तक कि कुछ नहीं आता तो भी I would make a guesswork. Okay. And I also I took my mocks very seriously. So for me, mocks were not just about getting that one extra question. It was about me finding my weaknesses while attempting the paper, and at the same time also making my own strategy. So when I entered the prelims, I knew 90 plus questions करना है. I knew guesswork इतना हद तक ठीक होता है. 20 गलत होंगे इतना होगा. I'll get 120. It's fine. Okay. So that's how it worked for me in prelims, and I did clear by a very good margin. So I think that is also important because you don't want to waste those 40 days in speculation. Great. So that helped me.